Welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial today, and we're going to start with a simple rose braid, and then we're going to follow up with some curls. So the first thing you're going to do is just to run any brush that you have or that you love to use through your hair, just to kind of give some, just to get it where we need it. And then you're going to part a section from the front. We're only going to use this bit, but we're going to take this and clip it back. The remainder. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Restyle Sculpting Taffy and just put it through, just to give us a little bit of a hold that we need. You just kind of rub it between the fingertips and then just put it through. Okay, so next thing that we're going to do is divide the hair into 3 sections, like so. Then we're going to start braiding normally. Now the way that we want this rose to go, it's going to go around like this. So you will see when we do, we want to do at least 2 to really get a grip, like a good grip. At least that's what I'm doing to kind of get that good grip. Then we're gonna want to take the piece, because if we go around here, or actually, which way do I want to go? If we go around this way, let's see, then we want to pull a little bit from this side. Yeah, because it'll go this way, right? So we want to pull a little bit from this side. So every time you come through, you go, and you've got it locked in, just hold your pieces and kind of pull, just kind of like fan out your braid. And you're going to keep doing this until there's no more hair, till there isn't any hair left, sorry. Going to continue and just kind of fan this out, and then we're going to kind of fan this one out too. I didn't see that at first. And then we're going to keep going, just kind of keep going a little bit, and then I just want to go to the end here, and then we're going to take the remaining, kind of fan it out a little bit, and then we're going to lay it this way and put these pieces underneath. And as you can see, it kind of makes a flower design. Then we're going to bobby pin, which, quick tidbit, now if you put them in your mouth like I do, then you don't want to do this, but quick tidbit, if you want the bobby pin to stay, you can always hairspray your bobby pins first before putting them in. And then just kind of put it in. Start with that spot so you have a secure. And then that's actually too big for me. Then we're going to put in another one kind of in here to bring in. There, so now you have your rose design. And then we're going to move to what we're going to do at the bottom, which is we're going to curl that part. So I'll be back to show you the curl to go with our rose. And I just want to get a close up so you can see that is the rose design. You don't have to put it right here. I just put it here because I wanted to be able to braid my hair and show you. And you can always add like a little jewel in there. And if you have, what's cool about your hair is that if you have like blonde pieces and brown pieces, you're really gonna see the colors. Like with my hair, you can see I've got the reds and then the darks, so you can see the colors in there. I'll just get it close up again. So the next thing we'll do is curling.